Hi, I'm Lisa Cleveland from the Wando Mount Pleasant Library. I'm here today to give you instructions for the Pom Pom / marshmallow shooter. In your take and make, you will receive a paper cup, a balloon, and a pom pom. You will also need a pair of scissors and some tape. Your first step to make the pom pom shooter is to get your balloon and tie the end in a knot. The next step is to cut the balloon in half. Your next step is to take your cup and cut out the bottom end, which I have already done. You will then attach your balloon to the end of your cup and just put some tape to make sure the balloon is completely fastened to the cup. You can now take your pom-pom or a marshmallow into your cup and see how far your pom-pom goes. Have fun!